For thousands of years, humans believed the universe was small, just stars, just planets, just one galaxy. Everything we could see was everything that existed. But one man looked deeper, farther, longer, and proved something shocking. The universe was far bigger than anyone imagined. His name was Edwin Hubble, and he changed our understanding of reality itself. Edwin Hubble was born in 1889 in America. As a young man, he loved books. He loved science. But interestingly, he first studied law. Yes, law, not astronomy. For a while he followed a traditional path, but his heart was always in the stars. Eventually, he returned to science. He began studying astronomy seriously. At that time, most scientists believed something very simple. The Milky Way galaxy was the entire universe. Everything existed inside it. Beyond it, nothing. That was the accepted truth. But Hubble wasn't convinced. Hubble began working at Mount Wilson Observatory in California. There he had access to the most powerful telescope in the world at the time, the Hooker telescope. Night after night, he observed faint, distant lights in the sky. Many scientists believed those blurry lights were just small clouds of gas inside our galaxy. They called them nebulae. But Hubble suspected something bigger, something extraordinary. He carefully studied one object called the Andromeda Nebula. He measured its distance, and what he discovered shocked the scientific world. Hubble proved that the Andromeda Nebula was not inside the Milky Way. It was far beyond it. It was an entirely separate galaxy. Billions of stars, just like ours. And if one galaxy existed outside ours, maybe there were more and more. Suddenly, the universe wasn't one galaxy. It was billions of galaxies. The universe expanded overnight, not physically, but in human understanding. Humanity went from living in a single island to floating in an ocean of galaxies. Everything changed. But Hubble didn't stop there. He made another groundbreaking discovery. He noticed something strange. The light from distant galaxies was shifted toward red. This meant something powerful. Those galaxies were moving away from us. And not just moving, speeding away. The farther the galaxy, the faster it was moving. This became known as Hubble's law. The universe was not static. It was expanding, like a balloon being inflated. This discovery became one of the strongest pieces of evidence for the Big Bang theory. The universe had a beginning. It was once smaller, denser, hotter. Without Hubble, modern cosmology might not exist. Years later, NASA launched one of the most famous space telescopes ever built. They named it the Hubble Space Telescope. It has captured breathtaking images of distant galaxies, nebulae, stars being born, the deep universe. Every time we see those incredible space photos, we are continuing Hubble's work, looking deeper, measuring the impossible, understanding our place in the cosmos. Edwin Hubble teaches us something powerful. Never assume you know the limits of reality. For thousands of years, humanity believed the universe was small. He proved it was unimaginably vast. What if your limits are also illusions? What if your potential is bigger than you think? What if your world is expanding, but you're afraid to look deeper? Hubble dared to question accepted truth. He dared to measure the impossible. And because of him, we know we are part of a universe filled with billions of galaxies. Reality is bigger than imagination. And your future may be bigger than you believe.